Okay, we can't point that way, because that's what a water pipe is. Alright, Joseph, give me water pipe. Oh, sorry! Oh. Give me 5. Oh. Oh, you're too far away. Give me water pipe. Oh. Oh.
Jacob, can you give Daddy a water pipe?
Give me water pipe. Oh. 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 Give me water pipe.
Oh, that's making me dizzy. It's making me dizzy.
Ready? Oh. Give me 5. That's what a water pipe is.
Hi, Jacob.
Say hi, Mommy.
Turn off the water.
Oh. Oh, I think someone wants to get launched.
No!
You sure?
No, I'm not sure!
Are you sure you want to get launched?
No!
Okay. Okay.